In this lesson, let's learn some more nuances to sound like a pro on the trombone. Articulation is a very important factor in that. There are basically 4 kinds of articulation: staccato, legato, slurred, and accented. To get a staccato sound, sometimes it's helpful to tongue more towards the top of your mouth as opposed to the bottom of your mouth. If you say the word duh, you're tonguing basically in the bottom of your mouth. If you say the word dut, you are tonguing towards the top of your mouth. And here's the difference between the 2 sounds. That dut staccato will allow us to play a lot faster and very cleanly. A legato tongue in the trombone is more what we described earlier as tonguing low or tonguing in the bottom of your mouth. It doesn't interrupt the airflow as much, and so there's no space created, making it sound legato or seamless. A slower airstream helps you with legato as well. When we slur on the trombone, it is a different set of rules, maybe not so much of an articulation, but it is a rhythmic part of playing trombone that's very important. When we warm up on the instrument, we do what are called lip slurs. Here's an example. That's a slur, and I aimed in 3 different places for the same position. I'm going to do the opposite of that and aim in those 3 different places. And here's a little tip from the professionals. The higher you play, the more you're going to aim your airstream downward. Let me demonstrate with my hand as an example. Otherwise, this might happen. It's very difficult. It's almost like you've hit a brick wall. So, it's how you should visualize it. When we accent a note, we blow at the note a little stronger than the other notes. I'm going to accent just one note. And my airstream would be that burst of air or energy produces a louder, more exciting, and immediate sound. So just like dynamics, articulation is very important to sounding like a pro.